Meet the Kreo Hive wired full-size RGB backlight. Gaming mechanical keyboard. Packed with Outemu mechanical switches, it offers tactile feedback and durability. Customize your gaming experience with vibrant RGB lighting and multiple effects. With N-key rollover, press multiple keys simultaneously without missing a beat. The 5-pin hot-swappable design lets you replace switches without soldering. A metal volume knob adds a premium touch and ease of use. Full-size layout with a number pad for productivity and gaming. Wired USB-C connectivity ensures stable and fast data transmission. Affordable and customizable, it's perfect for gamers and typists alike. But be aware of potential RGB inconsistencies and after-sales support issues. Limited software functionality. The RGB lighting cannot be controlled via software. Customization is limited to preset modes accessible through the keyboard. Potential quality control. Variability. Some users have experienced issues with key functionality and RGB lighting after extended use. The Kreo Hive wired full-size RGB backlight. Gaming mechanical keyboard offers a compelling package for those seeking a budget-friendly mechanical keyboard with customizable features. Its mechanical switches, NKRO, and hot-swappable design cater to both gamers and typists. However, potential buyers should be aware of reported inconsistencies with RGB lighting and after-sales support. If you're looking for an affordable entry into the mechanical keyboard world and can overlook these potential drawbacks, the Kreo Hive presents a solid option.